Get the cleanest wash with IFB Fully Automatic Front-Loading Washing Machine in various capacities with 5-star energy rating. IFB washing machines come with innovative crescent moon drum design that creates a gentle water cushion that prevents damage to fabrics, and optimally placed hose provide the mechanical action required to get the desired wash results.
When all your laundry is done, give your appliance a special cleaning with the Tub Clean program.
IFB washing machines comes with multiple wash programs to choose from. Each program is specially designed to give your clothes a complete cleanse, making them look brand new. Switch on the child lock function and let the machine work without any disturbance, even if your child plays with the buttons. IFB washing machines are built to last with a first-of-its-kind 4 years comprehensive warranty on the entire machine. Get this product on Amazon. You can avail EMI options or pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for the damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery at your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.